Good morning, Prep 3, to another video. Today we're going to take our first lesson in geometry, which is distance between 2 points. And our rule is, if you have a point A, which is x1 and y1, and the point B, which is x2 and y2, you can find the distance between A and B by making a square root of x1 minus x2 all square plus y1 minus y2 all square. Let's take an example. We need to find the distance between A and B. The A contains -1 and 3, and B is 3 and 5. So the distance AB equals square root. We're gonna take -1 minus 3 all power 2 plus 3 minus 5 power 2, and this is equal -4 power 2, which is 16, plus 3 minus 5 is -2, power 2 is 4, so this is root 20. And we're gonna say it's a unit length because this is the length between 2 points. Another question. Example number 2, prove that the triangle which vertices are A and B and C is right angle triangle and find its area. We have a note up there which says if you get a side squared equals the sum of the squares of the two other sides, so this triangle is gonna be right angle triangle. If you get a side square is greater than the sum of the two squares of the two other sides, so this is an obtuse angle triangle. If you get a side square less than the sum of the squares of the two other sides, so this is an acute angle triangle. We need to prove that ABC is a right angle triangle, so we're gonna try to prove the first statement. We're gonna find the distance AB, and the distance BC, and the distance AC. First, let's get the distance AC. AC, A and C. It's a square root of 3 minus -5, it's plus 5, all squared, plus 5 minus -1, it's plus 1 squared. And we need to find AC squared, so I'm gonna remove the square root and make it AC squared. And this is gonna be equal 80 squared is 64 plus 6 squared is 36, and this is will equal 100. So AC squared is 100. By the same method, we're gonna find AB squared without putting a square root. So it's 3 minus 4 all squared plus 5 minus 2 squared. 3 minus 4 is 1, 1 squared is 1, plus 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 squared equal 9. And this is gonna be equal 10. We're gonna find also the distance BC squared. So 4 minus -5, so it's 4 plus 5 power 2 plus 2 minus -1, so it's 2 plus 1 all squared. This is equal 9, and 9 squared equals 81 plus 2 squared, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 squared is 9, so this is equal 90. Now, the greatest side, and this is unit length, here is unit length, here is unit length. The greatest side of these three sides is the side AC, so we're gonna write that AC squared is equal to 10 plus 90, which was AB squared plus BC squared, and therefore triangle ABC is right angle triangle at the repeated letter, which is B. Okay? The next part of this question is to find its area, and the area of a triangle equal half by base by height. We know that the triangle is right angle at B, so here is A, here is C. So the base and height are the sides AB and BC. So this is equal half multiplied by AB, not AB square, so it will be root 10, multiplied BC, not BC square, so it's root 90. Then you're gonna find its answer, and this is a square unit. Another question. Another question. If the distance between the 2 points A and 5 and 3A minus 1 and 1 equals 5 length unit, find the value of A. So we're gonna find the distance between the 2 points, and this is equal 5, so I'm gonna make a square root A minus 3A minus 1. So A will be subtracted from 3A minus 1, so A minus 3A minus 1, we have to change the sign of 3A and 1. This is all square. Plus 5 minus 1 squared. And this distance, as he says, equal 5 unit lengths, so it's 5 unit lengths. If I want to remove the square root, I'm gonna make all of this power 2, and also the other side power 2. Power 2 cancel the square root, and 5 power 2 equals 25. Let's simplify the brackets. A minus 3A, this is negative 2A, and we have plus 1 all squared, plus 5 minus 1 is 4, and 4 squared is 16. I'm gonna move 16 to the other side, so this will be equal negative 2A plus 1 squared equal 25 minus 16 equal 9. If I want to remove the power 2, I'm gonna take a square root to the two sides, and don't forget positive or negative. So this is equal positive or negative 3. I'm gonna divide the paper into two parts. So it's negative 2A plus 1 either equals 3, or negative 2A plus 1 equal negative 3. By moving the 1 to the other side with negative sign, so we have negative 2A equal 2. By dividing by negative 2 in two sides, so A gonna be equal negative 1, and this is the first answer. By moving 1 to the other side with a negative sign, so negative 2A equal negative 3 minus 1, negative 4. By dividing by negative 2, so A gonna be equal 2. So the two answers of A is either A equal 1 or A equal 2. Another example. The points A and B and C and D are the vertices of a rectangle. Find its area. As we know, the rectangle contains two lengths and two widths, and to find its area, we need to find the lengths and widths, because the area is length by width. We can call it A, B, C, D. So we have to find the distance AB, then finding the distance BC. So let's first find AB. So let's first find AB, and this is a square root. A is negative 1 minus 5 all squared plus 3 minus 1 all squared. And the distance BC between B and C, square root 5 minus 6 all squared plus 1 minus 4 all squared. Negative 6 power 2 equals 36 plus 2 power 2 is 4, so this is equal root 40, and this is unit length. and here 5 minus 6 is negative 1, power 2 it's 1, plus 1 minus 4 is 3, 3 power 2 is 9, so this is equal root 10 unit length. Here is the length and width AB and BC, so the area gonna be equal root 40 multiplied by root 10, and this is gonna be equal the square root of 400, and this is gonna be equal 20, and this is a square unit. I hope you enjoy our video. Thank you and see you in another video.